Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. Plug in or use the internal battery, then watch the LED battery percentage so you know runtime. Next, attach the correct nozzle, tire valve adapter for cars, so air seals properly. This prevents leaks and false readings. Now choose the mode on the dial and set your target pressure, because the compressor will auto-stop at that value. Doing this saves time and avoids overinflation. Once ready, secure the hose to the valve with firm pressure and proceed to the next step. You press the mode and adjust buttons to set the precise PSI. Cars usually need PSI, so accuracy matters for safety and tire wear. Once you start, monitor the digital readout. It updates continuously, and if you approach your target within 0.5 psi, use short pulses to avoid overshoot. The pump can heat under long runs, so make sure to pause. Run 10 to 15 seconds, rest about 30 seconds under heavy load to protect the unit. This balances speed with longevity, and then continue inflating. You finish by detaching the hose carefully and replacing the dust caps to keep threads clean. Always verify final pressure with a handheld gauge to confirm accuracy. After use, coil the hose and store nozzles in the case, and recharge the battery if it fell below 50% so it's ready next time. If the compressor stalls or doesn't reach pressure, let it cool for a few minutes, check that the valve connection seals, and power cycle the unit. This simple troubleshooting resolves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.